our Hammerhead HG5, 280 foot pull, going in through 1.25" PVC. We're going to be pulling in a 1-inch IPS poly. Got the splitter head, the expander, and then the pipe gets pulled in right behind it, going down under all this landscape. We pulled a brand new 1-inch poly pipe through the existing PVC pipe. About a 15-foot shot here. Should be coming into our exit pit anytime. Okay, so we're just getting ready to hook this pipe up at the meter. Got our connection here to our copper. Pulled through the old existing PVC pipe.